Listen to that. So, who wants to come with me and go find out what that noise is? I just checked on the chickens. Fed and watered them. Checked on the piggies. Made sure they were okay. It's like 9 o'clock at night. Dark as shit. And somebody's making some fairly unhappy noises over here. And Bobo's with me. I'm not a total idiot. Hi, piggies. Hi, piggies. Oh, you guys are like asleep. You don't even give a crap. Hello? What's wrong, Bubba? I can see your eyes. Can't see them on the video, but I can see you. I see 2 sets of eyes. Hi, what's wrong? Yeah. You missing the lady folk? Yeah, well, you know. Eventually you'll get to go play with the ladies. Wish I could see better, but my phone doesn't give off much light. Anything else? No, we're done? Yeah, that's what I thought too. Somebody is not happy over there. Yeah, bully, 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 bully. Yeah. What's wrong, Bubba? Come here. Sending Bobo in after you. Well, hopefully everything's okay, because I can't see shit. And I'm not drumming through the cow yard in my tennis shoes and my nightgown at 9 o'clock at night while it's mother freaking snowing. Hi, I see eyeballs. Come here. Come here. Okay, well. Hopefully you're okay in there. Yep, I'm going to bed now. Peace out, bullies. Not happy. How about you, Bo? Are you happy? Are you happy?